Is there anything I can help you with? Am I okay to leave? Can I get a job as a policeman? Can I get in your car? Let me go, bro! No, let me go. I can't read that. With my friend? Is it with my friend? Bro, let me in. You were talking to bro, how long? If it's 15 years, I'm up. Kill you, bro. Meow! Meow! Let me out, bro. I'll get a job as a policeman and be nice and stuff, bro. Just let me out. Don't take me to jail, bro. No, that's my Cybertruck over there. I'm rich. Just give off of me, bro. I got 4 more. Do you mean what? No. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. A cheapie, bro. How much does it cost? I'll pay you to let me go. I'll pay you to let me go, bro. I'll pay you $5,000. Oh, I'll pay you $1,501 to let me go. Please just let me go. Yes, I do. For you to let me fucking go, bro. I need to go see family. So that guy was my family, bro. He was my family, man. I'll fuck you. Kiss me. Kiss the out of me or let me go. Kiss me or let me go. And why is your dog in my dick? Why is he sitting in my dick? Yes, you can see my passport again. There you fucking go. You happy now? Can I go? Can I please go? I don't want to be in jail, bro. I'm just stuck here with your dog sitting in my dick. Bro, so now you're just moving it up penalty? I can't even afford that, bro. I only have $1,501. Just let me fucking go and I'll pay you $20 million, bro. Just let me go, man. Let me go. Let me go. $10 million I will give you to let me go. Now you're playing on your iPad, bro? I'll play on my phone. Bro, I'm not, I ain't paying ya. I ain't paying ya. Unless it's $1,000. Can I just get put in fucking jail, bro? Do the freaking exchange, bro. Well, hurry up and put me in freaking jail. Can you please give me full health before I get put in jail, bro? Look, I ain't do nothing wrong, bro. I ain't even tried to murder no one. You were taking my friend, my my brother away into prison, bro. That's the whole reason I shot you. I wasn't gonna kill you, nothing. If I did accidentally kill you, you would have been killed again. No. So why are you charging me? Bro, why have I got 5 stars? I don't have enough money. No, don't put me in jail. Don't you dare put me in jail. Put me in jail and you get killed. I know when. Can I just get the job as a policeman, actually? I'll do everything right and stuff. I'll help you out. I'll help you with arresting people and everything. Just, just, just let me go.